Welcome back, I'm Ron the Cook, and today is day 6 of Negroni Week. Now, since fall's only 2 days away, I wanted to make something a little more fall-inspired, something with a richer base instead of gin. So we're gonna go with Diplomatico Mantuano. It's an incredible Venezuelan rum with a beautiful, dark, rich, chocolatey, coffee, molasses flavor that's gonna go perfect with the Campari. If you want to check out my Tasting Tuesday video for this one, click the link in the description below. Let's get started. I'll start with 2 ounces or 60 mils of our Diplomatico Mantuano. I'm actually gonna go with 1.5 ounces or 45 mils Campari. Now 1/2 ounce or 15 mils of our Vermouth Rouge. Now to help with that fall vibe and to bump up our molasses flavor, I'm going to use some Molasses Bitters. Go with 4 dashes. Got my big cube here, let's give it a crack. Always a mess. And stir for about 20 seconds. Got one of my Libby Nick Nora glasses. There we have the Rum Negroni. Ooh, that smells nice. This might be my favorite one. No, yeah, this is 100% my favorite one. Those, the molasses and chocolate notes from the rum blending in with that Campari, the orange, the bitterness, all rounded together with those beautiful red wine notes from the Vermouth Rouge. This just screams fall. It has a much richer mouthfeel as well. You're getting, it drinks more like a Manhattan or an old fashioned, something heavier. So it really stays on your palate. Now that is going to be the Negroni for fall. Cheers to Negroni Week. Delicious. If you want to check out all of my Negroni Week cocktails from 2024, click right here. If you want to check out some of my quick, easy, and cheap dishes, click up right there. Until next time, I'm Ron the Cook.